everybody.
Hello, teacher.
All right, class, watch me balance on one foot.
Wow.
Now, let's put on our thinking glasses.
Yay.
Great job. Let's practice some English.
Okay, what do we say?
Let's start with, hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. Everyone together. Do you like the zoo?
Yes, teacher, I like it a lot. I love all animals. I love all animals. Yes, teacher, I like it a lot.
Bill, which animal has big ears? One example.
Let me think. The elephant has big ears, teacher. I like it a lot.
That's right, Bill. Very good. Tom, which animal has a long neck? One example.
Let me see. The giraffe has a long neck, teacher. It's very tall.
Polly, which animal has a short tail? One example.
I think the elephant has a short tail, teacher. It's big, but its tail is short.
Excellent, Polly. That's right. Beth, which animal has a small nose? One example.
It's easy. I know it. The monkey has a small nose, teacher. It's so funny.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Bye, teacher. See you. Bye. Bye-bye.